Guys, we got to talk about one of the biggest gainers today, Near Protocol. It's also one of my favorites, so I should warn you. This is like my second or third biggest bag. I don't know because it alternates between Arweave and Near Protocol, of course. But anyways, guys, let's jump right into this. Now, you can see we are coming up to a daily resistance here at about $5.17 cents. So you can see we have gotten rejected here earlier today. If I put this on the hourly time frame, you'll see it a little bit better. So we are struggling to get through this a little bit, but I am sure that we will push through this. The next resistance will be at about $5.52 on a weekly time frame. So that's going to be a little bit stronger resistance, and we also need to push through the top of this Fibonacci, which is about $5.67. So you're going to have kind of a zone of resistance here, about 15 cents. Might be a little bit tough to push through, but we will push through it, guys. Near Protocol is an excellent, project, and I do think you will at least see probably about a $40 to $50 Near Protocol in this bull run, guys. Really, I do believe that. And anyways, it is having a 15 or 16 percent day. So yeah, it's a 14.7% right now, actually. If we look at this on the daily time frame, though, we are breaking this little high here that we had back in the end of August. And yeah, I think really, guys, to get really bullish on Near, what we need to get up to, I'm going to say probably about $6.50. If we can break that, we'll take out the great majority of the area that we've been trading, basically since like June, and then before like March. We didn't trade too much up here, in this local high, earlier this year. Now, as you know, like I said, in the past, Near Protocol did get up to about $20, I think it is. If we take a look at the chart over here, yeah, it was about $20, a little bit more than $20, guys. So Near Protocol, I am sure, will make it to $20. That's a given. This project is excellent. It's comparable to Solana. It's actually the competitor of Solana. They call it the mini Solana. And, honestly, I would rather have Near Protocol than Solana, especially at this point. I just think the gains are going to be more with Near Protocol at this point. Now, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has just been kind of going sideways today. It's kind of an indecisive candle. And you can see that I did mark off this double bottom here. And, so if we do get the double bottom, we need to break above 64.3. Now that's, we've gotten rejected today here, and we'll eventually get through it, guys. Within the next probably couple of days. But the target for that is sitting up at about $74,500 to about 75,000. That's when I marked it off on my other PC. Keep in mind, I am not on my regular PC. So you're seeing a little bit different chart here today. But if we zoom, out a little bit, you can see, guys, we've just been trading in a channel for months. Since basically March, we have been in a channel, and we've hit the top of this channel multiple times. We've also hit the bottom of the channel multiple times, guys. Now, if we take this flagpole and we start it from the beginning of this run here, down here at about 38.8, all the way up to 73,000 or so. If we break out, our target is up here at about $86,500. So, we have two things that could play out here. We could have a double bottom, and we could have this flagpole, break out. So, if we take the average of that, maybe it's around $80,000 on this breakout, guys. So we'll see. Now, we are seeing Bitcoin dominance fall. This is why you're seeing altcoins go up. And basically, for the last week, we're 1% down, and that's probably why you're seeing such gains, and especially in the better altcoins, guys. So keep that in mind. I think Bitcoin has kind of hit its high already. I know there's some resistance up there at about 58.5% that a couple of influencers have pointed out. you know, other than me. So I think that's it, guys. I think we've hit the top really, and we're going to see Bitcoin come down with dominance. Now, that doesn't mean Bitcoin is going to go down necessarily. It just means that these altcoins are going to start getting a little bit stronger, and you might see a little bit more gains with altcoins than Bitcoin. Now, economic calendar, I'm just going to go into tomorrow. Basically, you got HPI composite, and you do have consumer confidence tomorrow. That's the most important thing tomorrow, so be looking for that. So anyways, let's keep going here, guys. Fear and greed is 50. It's neutral. I do expect this probably, you know, to tick back up a little bit. But everything depends on Bitcoin today. You know, we are getting a little bit of a red candle here today, but we've just kind of been bouncing around a little bit. And, you know, this is the crypto fear and greed. It's not the Bitcoin fear and greed. So maybe since altcoins are bouncing up, this could tick up. We'll see, guys. Now, earlier today, I looked at this after I made my Arweave video. I did see that this went under 50. I think it was 49 or 48 something. And now it's reversed again. So I'm not sure what's contributing to that, but you know, we're kind of flip-flopping between these two with, you know, 51%, 48% or something like this. And we'll see, guys. We still have a long time to go before we talk about interest rate cuts. Now, if we look at the crypto bubbles, guys, mostly everything's in green. Near protocol, like I said, it's up, you know, 14% right now. Render is up. You know, a lot of these good projects are up. AR, you have IMX, HBAR, Pyth, GRT, Stacks, you know, a channel favorite here. So anyways, guys, you know, pretty much everything is up. You know, Sui is down, and that's a good project, guys. Now, normally I do say that the bad projects will be down, but, you know, I think Sui just had a big run the other day, so it probably is cooling down, you know. So anyways, guys, if you want to stake your Near protocol, basically go to Coinondo. Let me go up so you can see how that's spelled. Coinondo, and type in Near, and you have all these options basically. Now, I think these first few options aren't really good options. Let me move this out of the way, guys. So basically, yeah, you could put it in Bit2Me, but as I warn everybody, if you put it there, you get Bit2Me coin. Now, you also only get 11.1% if you have so much of their Bit2Me coin as well. So, you know, for example, you may get 4 or 5% here in reality without any of their, you know, coin or something like this. So basically, guys, I have all mine staked in xt.com. And yeah, I think that's the best place for it right now. Now, you could go down, you could put it in KuCoin, you could also put it in, you know, some of these other ones, but, you know, it's up to you where you want to put it. There's also staking in Binance, but keep in mind you have to stake it for 120 days for 5.9%, you know, and do keep in mind there are limits sometimes. So, yeah, anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I got with you or for you about Near. And you can see that we are starting to break through this resistance right now. We are pumping up against it, so that is nice to see, guys. Anyways, let's see where this candle closes, and I do expect a good day here. You know, I think Bitcoin probably will finish green. The last few days, you know, we were in red, and really right at the end of the day, we get green. So it's, you know, probably we still have, what, 4.5 more hours here on the clock. So yeah, I think we can see a green day again, guys. Anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And thanks a lot, guys.